need to be fit to start this workout. You don't need to know how to dance. And you definitely don't need any equipment. All you need is 12 minutes and the willingness to move. That's it. I love Zumba dance because it makes exercise feel so much fun and something you actually want to do, not something you have to forcefully do. And today's routine is designed to help you lose weight with simple, easy movements that anyone can follow. In case you miss a step, you just have to march on the spot and type Zumba if you love Zumba too in the comments. I read each and every single comment of yours. If you ever miss a step, I've already told you what to do, or just go back to the previous moves. And remember, your body is moving and that is all matters. How, what, how much doesn't really bother. And I'm dietitian Natasha Mohan, and I bring to you on a weekly basis fun, exciting videos which are full of fun choreography for your Zumba dance workouts, which are no jumping, completely beginner friendly. I'm here for the next 12 minutes and so are you. Let's begin. What are we waiting for?
like I do what I do for you. I tried to call the doctor, it didn't help. Took a trip out to the sun to revive myself. But no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
So I hope you enjoyed that easy Zumba dance with me. Now, what are you waiting for? Just have to do it every single day. Get on with it, get used to it, and there onwards, I will be sharing more videos with you so you can target more body areas. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet hit the bell notification, then please do that too. Only then will you be able to see the latest videos that I bring to you on a weekly basis. I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, take care.